Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Mazda CX-7. The cabin air filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle behind the glove box. In order to gain access to it, we need to open the glove box and push both of the inside edges towards each other to pop the guides out of place. This should release the glove box and allow us to gain access to the filter housing. Next, we simply pull the filter cover away from the housing. Note which way the arrow indicated on the side of the old filter is pointing before removing it. Ensure the new filter is the same size as the old one before installing by holding them next to each other. Make sure the arrow on the new filter is pointing in the correct direction and then install it into the housing. Once properly installed, the filter should have some slight movement. That lets us know that there's no obstructions. Next, we reinstall the filter housing cover by lining up the tabs and pressing it into place until it's tight. The last step is to realign the glove box on its hinges and close it up. The side pins should fall into place on their own. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you could, please leave a like and subscribe.